Materials are transferred to controlled totes to protect parts and manage flow.
Did that pass the dimensional check?
Yes, marking it complete. And the barcode scan's clean.
Non-conforming lots are isolated, while approved materials are released to production.
Kitting ensures each station receives the correct parts in sequence.
Here's the next batch for assembly. Watch the turn. Got it.
FIFO staging preserves lot order and supports traceability. Correct fasteners and torque control are staged to ensure consistent assembly. A dry run confirms conveyor motion and fixture alignment.
Verified fixtures ensure parts seat correctly during assembly. Standardized instructions align operators on quality-critical steps.
First article approval authorizes the line to proceed. Housekeeping preserves equipment condition and quality readiness. Maintained fixtures prevent repeat defects on the line.
Audits verify that the process remains capable over time.
Training ensures consistent skills and safe operation. Controlled spares management prevents unplanned downtime. Statistical checks monitor process drift before defects occur.
Clearance checks prevent wear and noise issues in use.
Secure data storage preserves compliance and traceability records.
The line ran smoothly and we hit the utilization target. This open item here is finalized.
Okay, I'll move this to closed. I'll keep an eye on the safety cross.
Monitored crimps ensure reliable electrical connections. Sampling tests verify electrical joint strength during production. The fan motor enables hot air circulation for uniform cooking.
Torque verification prevents loosening and vibration during use.
Vision checks catch routing errors before enclosure. Secure PCB mounting ensures reliable control and user interface operation. Continuity testing confirms correct electrical connections before closure. Controlled enclosure protects internal components and ensures structural integrity. Sequenced fastening maintains even compression and durability. Early functional checks catch interface issues before final testing. Grounding ensures electrical safety during operation. Continuity testing verifies effective protective grounding. Only units that pass safety tests proceed to performance verification.
Initial power on confirms basic operation before full performance checks.
Temperature control is verified to meet cooking performance specifications.
Airflow and noise checks ensure comfort and efficiency in use.
A cooling buffer protects operators and components after hot testing.
Successful retest returns the unit to the normal flow. Final labeling locks traceability between the product and its test history. Final checks confirm readiness for shipment. Logged results complete the test record for each unit.
A buffer smooths flow between testing and packaging.
Correct accessory fit ensures readiness for customer use.
Correct documentation supports safe and compliant product use.
Protective packaging prevents damage during transport.
Weight checks confirm all contents are present before shipping. Labeled cases maintain inventory accuracy through distribution.
Consistent pallet loads improve stability and warehouse efficiency.
Packaging waste is segregated and recycled to reduce environmental impact. Plastic byproducts are separated for controlled recycling.
Warehouse put-away records inventory location for order fulfillment.
Security seals protect shipment integrity during transit.
Accurate documents ensure compliant and traceable delivery.
Reject verification confirms that defects cannot escape the line.
Staged trailers support smooth logistics flow.
Approved returns are segregated and documented for supplier follow-up.
Evacuate the area immediately. Proceed to the assembly point by the main gate.
A controlled environment sustains consistent air fryer output. Trend reviews detect early signs of process variation.
Timely replenishment keeps production flowing without excess inventory.